From complex machines to simple household appliances, the world depends on industrial manufacturing to keep life moving. With consumers demanding more, better, and faster, industrial supply chains have their unique challenges. Volatile demand can lead to excess, shortages, out of stocks, and waste, and damage customer loyalty. High product complexity means multiple suppliers and leads to availability issues. Changing economic factors like geopolitical uncertainty threaten lead times across the global supply chain. Unexpected disruptions make it impossible to plan for the unplanned. There is a better way. Know instantly when a potential issue arises and evaluate its impact on the entire network. Remove waste through end-to-end visibility and the ability to respond quickly to demand changes. Easily manage all your suppliers wherever they are from one centralized system. Kinaxis gives you the agility to make fast, confident decisions in response to the world's ever-changing demands. Powering the world's supply chains.